Assalamu alaikum my dear class. This video lecture is for you and we are going to learn CVC word with letter E, I-E. So come and let's see some words are here. CVC words letter I. CVC words, as you know, C stand for consonant, V stand for vowel and C is again stand for consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So let's see some words are given here. K-I-D, kid, kid, K-I-D, kid, K-I-D, kid. Next, P-I-G, pig, P-I-G, pig, P-I-G, pig. You can feel E sound in these words. Next one is D-I-G, dig, D-I-G, dig. Dig mean खोदना. Dig. L-I-P, lip, L-I-P, lip, L-I-P, lip. Next, Z-I-P, zip, Z-I-P, zip, Z-I-P, zip. Next is here, S-I-X, S-I-X, six, S-I-X, six, six. So you have learned CVC word with letter E. You can feel sound E in these words. So repeat it again, revise it carefully. Now come on your book page number 6060. Here you can see some CVC words are given with letter E. Now the first one is B-I-B, babe, N-I-B, nib, R-I-B, rib. Next with G letter B-I-G, big, D-I-G, dig, F-I-G, fig, L-I-D, lid, K-I-D, kid, B-I-D, bit, S-I-D, sit, Z-I-P, zip, S-I-P, zip. Let's open next page. That one is 6161. Here again all these words is given that you have learned already. आपने जो पीछे words read किए हैं वो again वही word है इस page पे. Now you have to write it here. First line you have to trace and second line you have to write these words. Babe, nib, rib, big, dig, fig, lid, kid, bit, sit, zip, sip. Read all these words and just fix it in your mind. One thing that here is first letter is consonant, second E is vowel and third again is consonant. 3-letter word is given here, so read it carefully. Okay. Now I have one more page for you. This is your assessment. ये वही वर्ड हैं जो आपने पीछे रीड किए हैं. So let's see how much you have learned. You have to fill all the blanks by yourself. Do it by yourself. Okay. So take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.